Welcome back. Now, it's possible that you may want to have an affiliate to promote a specific offer using a private page. You can do this by using multiple sales pages within WarriorPlus. So the first thing we need to do is to set up a specific product similar to our front-end product at a specific front-end product price. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new product. We're going to set up the product and then save the new product. So we now have a new product, and we're setting up this product for a specific affiliate. Now, one thing you'll want to make sure of is that the download page is going to be the exact same as the original product. And so we can copy that access URL, and then we can make sure that it's going to be the same inside of the new product that we are creating. And we're then going to save the product. What we're now going to do is to add in the new product to the product page area on the front end. We're going to click Add Product. We're going to select the product that we just created, and we're going to save that product to the product page area here in the front end offer. We're now going to set up multiple sales pages. So we're going to go to our settings area. We're going to click on multiple sales pages. We're now going to click to add a new sales page. We're now going to need to make sure to create a new sales page. So we will go to our page builder and create a new page. We're now going to use the new sales page area. And we're going to give this sales page a description. We are also going to allow affiliates for this offer, and we're then going to click Save. Now the next part of the process is going to be very important. We are going to go to this affiliate assignment area. And what we're going to do is we're going to assign this to the affiliate for whom we are creating this special offer. So we're then going to sign up a specific affiliate. We're going to write in that affiliate's WarriorPlus handle here in this area. We're then going to click Save. So now this affiliate can now promote this specific offer. You'll need to X out of this area as the Save button will not close the dialog. What we now need to do is to make sure that we add the correct code to the page that we created. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Get Code. And what we're going to do here is we're going to make sure that we get the right code. Now what you'll notice here is that there are going to be two products here for the code. And you want to make sure that you have the right code to place on the page. We're going to now get the code, and we're going to head to add it to the page that we created. We're now going to click Insert. And so now our Buy button with the correct code is now added to our sales page. Now when the affiliate comes to their page to get the link, they're going to need to make sure to get the right link. And you'll need to make sure to remind them to get the right link. They're going to go to their link settings. There's going to be a default link, and that's going to be the original affiliate link that they would have had they promoted the regular offer. They're going to get the offer available to them that we just set up specifically for them to be able to promote. So you're going to want to make sure you communicate this with your affiliate to use the drop-down menu to get the right link. You'll notice here that those are going to be two different links. And so this is the link that your affiliate will need in order to promote the offer to get the special setup that you have put together. Once they do that, they'll then need to make sure they click Save. You'll then want to go back to the specific offer. You'll then want to go inside of the offer. One of the things you can do is to make sure that the individual will go through the rest of the funnel. And to do that, you're going to add in the upsell and then save it. What you'll see now is that when you hover over the special offer, the individual will then see the upsell if they complete the offer with a purchase. So what you've done now is set up a private offer with a specific affiliate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.